Girl Oven Food on Chincoteague, episode 12. Lotus Cafe just opened up recently, and I went on day 2, so your video is a little bit delayed, but I got the shrimp, Thai shrimp salad. I also got the shrimp rolls, which the rice paper shrimp rolls are delicious. I already know that because of the truck. And I also got a sandwich for dinner for later, which I'll do a separate video of. But here we go. This is, so the Thai shrimp salad, I will show you, is lots of mixed greens. That's the egg roll back there that I put, or not shrimp roll. So lots of greens, carrots, shredded carrots, shrimp, some goodness, green or purple cabbage, red cabbage, whatever color, cucumber. So and you get peanut dressing with it. So I love the peanut dressing. So, whoa. Anyway, let's try this out. Oh my God. I love that peanut dressing. The shrimp, everything is so good. Wow. Big portions. Go hungry. Or save it for later, because these are huge portions. I'll review the sandwich here in a minute. This, I already know I'm going to love. God, I miss them when she's closed. This is the same people that own Ameren and the Maddox Blvd Mi food truck own Lotus Cafe. So you get that same great quality and same great service. The food is absolutely incredible. So very, very fun menu, different foods, a little bit for everybody. So I wish them the best. So the sandwich will be later. I'm going to enjoy my salad. Well, now let me just tell you about the sandwich that I told you I ordered. I ordered the turkey bacon avocado sandwich, and oh my gosh, I already ate it, so I wouldn't have to bite in front of you, but look at the inside of that sandwich. It is so good. Oh my gosh, the turkey and the bacon together, which we already know, and the avocado, love the flavors, loved it. Hit every taste bud in my mouth. It's got lettuce and tomato on there, and it is amazing. So Lotus Cafe, brand new. It is located on Maddox Blvd, where, if you're familiar with Chincoteague, it's where the old Sea Star was. Now open Tuesday through Sunday, 11 a.m. till 5 p.m. So they're basically doing early dinners and lunches. Amazing. Absolutely, definitely worth stopping and trying. And we already know Yen is amazing with all of her food. So, Girl Oven Food on Chincoteague, Lotus Cafe. Must stop also. See, I tell you must stop for everything, because we have the best food in the world.